Our next product on the Video Guys Top Products of 2018 is the Avid Artist DNxID. I love this product because this is an under $1,000 I/O box for nonlinear editors, for video editors. It's made by Avid, it works great with Avid, but you can use it with Adobe Premiere, Final Cut, supports them both, supports DaVinci Resolve as well. It's made by Blackmagic for the folks over at Avid at $9.95. It's a tremendous product. I know we talk more on our show about video editing products, about video production and live production, but video editing is still important, and a lot of video editors need the ability to input video or to output video, maybe to an HDMI screen via 4K. And at $9.99, the Avid Artist with the Avid Artist DNxID is a great product, and I really recommend it highly for independent video editors, regardless of whether you're using Avid, Adobe, DaVinci, whatever your NLE is, doesn't matter. This is a great I/O choice for under $1,000. Works great. We're looking to get some bundles coming over the course of 2019 with the Avid editing software, but right now, Avid DNx Artist, Avid Artist DNxID, a Video Guys top product of 2018. Congratulations to the folks at Avid. You've made the list again.